This is not the pick of the week, I would say.
I'd say Friday's the pick. Friday's the pick. Today's not the pick. It's going to be in the 40s. There'll be a couple of showers around, not a washout or anything, but the kids want to pack the umbrella or raincoat as they head to school this morning. There will be a couple of showers as we head into later on today. 36 in Boston right now. Yeah, it's just kind of blah. 35 in Manchester, 33 in Worcester. We have some 20s on the map. It's not quite as cold as it was yesterday, and there's not as much wind as there was 24 hours ago either. There's some snow actually flying through Connecticut right now. Some flurries down across Connecticut and actually down through northern New Jersey. Disturbance passing us to the south, but there's a little bit of energy that's going to come over us today. And what that means for us is there will be a spotty rain shower or two. Wet flakes could mix in, a couple spots, not out of the question. A coating here or there in a few communities this evening on the grassy surfaces. Otherwise, the showers end this evening, clearing tonight. Some coastal clouds will be a little stubborn. Tomorrow, varying amounts of sun and clouds, a dry day, a couple sprinkles overnight. Tomorrow night, Thursday, we start with sun. We end up with scattered showers in the afternoon to early evening, particularly north and west of Boston. But that is a sign of the warmer air that's going to be pushing in as we jump up to near 60 on Thursday and into the 60s on Friday. The problem with this weekend, backdoor cold front. So front that comes in, the wind shifts around and brings the leading edge of cooler air. So the deal with Saturday is we may start off really mild and really warm and then see our temperatures drop pretty sharply during the afternoon. It's really going to come down to timing of that front. Even just a couple hours will make a big difference if we get into the 70s, which is possible on Saturday, and then drop really rapidly during the afternoon and evening. Sunday, much cooler clouds, maybe some drizzle, some areas of fog, and then Marathon Monday, still tracking that area of low pressure. Looks like we may start as showers in the morning on Monday and then turn to a steadier rain through the day. That timing is going to make a big difference, too, in terms of the steadiest downpours, but the early call is wet and chilly with temperatures in the lower 50s. All right, highs today, 40s. 43 in Boston, 45 in Plymouth. Many of us mid to upper 40s will be clear inland tonight, and because of that, will be a little colder inland, around 30. Some coastal clouds that will keep us in the mid 30s and around the city of Boston. Highs tomorrow near 50 or right around that inland. But a little wind coming in off the ocean will keep us in the 40s at the coastline. Yankees coming to town tonight, 3-game stint here. A little chilly with a slight risk of a shower this evening. Not going to be a big deal, no washout. Partly cloudy, mid-40s tomorrow. And then Thursday, passing sprinkle possible in the low 50s. We jump into the 60s on Friday. Saturday, again, it's really going to depend on the timing of that front. We may get warm early and then fall rapidly late in the day. Much colder on Sunday. And there's that rain by the time we get to later on Sunday and into Marathon Monday.